Hola everyone, Baron and Brent Bruno, Professionals FIJI Real Estate. How's it going today? You are gonna love this beautiful, unfurnished, modern home that we have available for rent on Denarau Island in the Links Precinct. You're looking for something modern, really nice, clean, easy. You're bringing all your furniture to Fiji and you want something where you and your kids have great places to put your belongings, nice privacy shutters, air cons and ceiling fans and recessed lighting, all this beautiful tile work, great shower enclosures, rain shower, hello, beautiful modern sinks and fixtures. This is something special, and it is super open. Look at this. Canister air conditioners, boom. Talk about cold, nice, comfortable feeling right there. Great storage. You have a double enclosed garage. That is amazing for all the kids' toys. Look at that double sink, more storage. Outside you have extra water tank, outdoor shower, and we'll show you the half bath soon, but look at all this storage. Whoa, you can put a lot in there, right? And then for you people in the kitchen who love to do some cooking, look at this. Great oven, nice 4-top gas burner, double sink, huge island, extra sink over on the end, so if you're doing some food prep, you can do that as well. So you actually have 2 sinks here. Lots of shelves there for all those spices and things over there as well. Look at this great open area. Amazing. Let's go back through. You can see the garage. Nice entryway. Look at this big open area. So much versatility here. Freshly painted. Amazing opportunity. You want to go to professionalsfiji.com to see the full video, get all the details, come outside with me and you can see this great lap pool. If you have kids, got a great little area here for the kids to get some pool time and be safe. Here's that outside shower right there. And look at this beautiful half bath, tiled throughout, long lap pool. No excuse not to do some swimming here at home if you're not doing it out in the beautiful Pacific Ocean here in Fiji, where you can of course do all that surfing and fishing and amazing diving here. Some of the best soft coral diving on planet Earth right here in Fiji. Privacy curtains right there. Beautiful vaulted ceilings with that wood, natural wood. Look at that. And then you have great storage here in the master. Look at that. Oh, that place. Shower, really lovely double sinks. Got to have that, right? And then look at this. Whoa, bath time for mom, dad, or the kids. Beautiful, really nice. And look at that. You are just enjoying the outside. Palm trees, beautiful Fiji sunlight, and you can enjoy yourself with some nice bubble bath, some hibiscus flowers, perhaps a beautiful glass of champagne or wine, and unwind and enjoy yourself. We are not even done yet, my friends. There's another look at the great room. There's that entryway straight ahead, pantry, and that double enclosed garage. And here are your bedrooms off to the side. And then walk with me upstairs. So obviously, if you have the kids or mom and dad have to eventually get some work done, well, guess what? You have a little secret spot upstairs with a huge outside patio area, and we're gonna go check that out. But look at this. This makes a great 4th bedroom because it's got the shower install right there. So you have a full bath here, tiled throughout, vaulted ceilings, recessed lighting, really, really beautiful space. And guess what? So this could be a great playroom for the kids, office for mom or dad, Great place to entertain. Throw a pool table up here. And look at this. Great views of Denarau golf course. And of course the swimming pool down there. So you're going to want to go to professionalsfiji.com and call us at +679 999 2051 to find out all about this spectacular rental on Denarau Island. We hope you're safe, we hope you're well, and we will see you soon. Banaka!